If you need to check your past requests or see the status of issues you've submitted, this quick guide will show you exactly how to view your support tickets in Base44. It's a simple process, and in just a few clicks, you'll be able to access all of your ticket history from one place. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, look at the bottom left corner of your Base44 screen and click the profile icon. This is where your account and help options are located. Once the menu opens, hover over Help and Support. A sub-menu will appear with additional support-related options. From that list, click Support. This will take you to the support area inside Base44, where you can manage your help requests. On the support page, click My Support Tickets. This is the section that shows all of the tickets you've submitted, along with their current status and details. From here, you can review your previous conversations, check updates, and follow the progress of any open ticket. And that's it. You now know how to view your support tickets in Base44. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides.